Hold on to your taste buds. Today, we're cooking up an herb-crusted rack of lamb with garlic mashed potatoes that'll make you feel like a culinary superstar. First up, grab your lamb rack, or seitan tofu if you're going plant-based. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix up some fresh thyme, rosemary, parsley, minced garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper. Rub this heavenly herb mix all over your lamb. Next, sear the lamb in a hot pan for 2 minutes on each side. Then into the oven it goes for 20 minutes for that perfect medium rare. For our vegan friends, marinate your seitan or tofu in the same herb mix, sear and bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10-12 minutes. Now onto the garlic mashed potatoes. Boil 4-5 potatoes until tender, about 10-15 minutes. Drain and mash them with butter, garlic, cream, salt and pepper. And there you have it, herb-crusted lamb with garlic mash. Bon appetit, chefs. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious videos.